An emergency fund, life insurance, and health insurance are all integral components of a well rounded personal finance strategy. They provide financial security, protect against unexpected events, and in turn offer peace of mind, allowing you to focus on your well being and long term financial goals. This will aid you in uninterrupted wealth creation in the long run. So, Tata AIA has launched a product combining health insurance, life coverage, and wealth creation. So, this policy aims to provide a comprehensive plan. But will the Tata AIA profit policy set a good or bad example for a comprehensive plan? Let us explore the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this policy offers financial security to you and your family members during medical emergencies without jeopardizing your family's long-term financial goals such as a dream home, school, marriage, retirement, and so on. So you benefit from a unit-linked insurance plan which allows you to develop your health savings through market-linked returns and prepare for any medical emergencies. So the Tata AIA profit policy is a combination of three different products of Tata AIA, which is Tata AIA Health Pro, Tata AIA Health Secure, and Tata AIA Vita Health Plan. So now some of the key features of the policy are: this policy focuses on four different aspects: wellness benefits, medical benefits, and life insurance, all while building your wealth over time. So let us delve into each category and find out the benefits that we get. So under the life cover, you can see that you get surgical cover, disability cover, hospital cover, death cover, critical illness cover, and daycare cover. And under the healthcare aspect of the policy, you get cashless claims, click and claim, health concierge, outpatient consultation benefit, overseas treatment booster, and also global coverage. And for wealth accumulation aspect of the policy, there are free annual health checks with Vitality, and you get market link returns which gives you the opportunity to build a health corpus through a range of funds, and you also get chronic care management. And there are additional benefits like Vitality discounts, auto debit, super 30 to 2% discount for life assured age less than or equal to 30 years, and you also get an extra allocation of 0.50% of your premium to the fund value for a female policyholder, and there are also tax benefits as per the prevailing tax laws. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy? So the advantages are: instead of buying separate product, you can buy Tata AIA profit policy, and generally riders have to be purchased separately, but here most of the riders are included in this one plan itself. The disadvantages, however, are: since this policy involves health cover and life cover, a major portion of the premium is utilized for these services and the balance is utilized for wealth accumulation. So combining so many plans will dilute the purpose of every individual plan, and even though there are so many benefits, one may not require it all. Eventually it comes as a package and one cannot avoid it. These are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. And if you want to go deeper into each aspect of the subcategory of this policy, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure for your reference. So now, what is the final verdict on this policy? Is investing in the Tata AIA profit policy worth or not? So Tata AIA profit policy offers health cover, wellness, medical benefits, and life cover while growing your wealth over the long-term period. So in general, you may need to buy life insurance and health insurance separately for your insurance basket, but this policy offers a combined benefit. But the main drawback here is this policy offers a bundle, and even if you do not require such a benefit, you may need to pay for it. Another disadvantage is that your investment portion will not aid you in fulfilling your future goals under this policy, because the premium is first deducted for life cover, health cover, and other all allied benefits. So this plan is not ideal for your investment basket. So please beware of insurance agents who will push you into buying this plan. It is solely for the high agent commission that they get. Tata AIA profit plan neither serves the purpose of insurance nor serves the purpose of investment. It is just a combined plan without any proper focus on any of the aspects. So our recommendation, our suggested recommendation is not to buy this policy. It's better if you avoid it, and it is advisable to buy a term plan for your life cover because the term plan offers high coverage at an affordable premium, and you can separately get a health insurance which is a family floater, which might be a best option for you in the long term.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.